everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make snow pea salad. This recipe is kind of basic Japanese style salad, and you don't need to use snow pea. You can use some other veggies, and usually it's very similar. You cook veggie first, then make a sauce and put together. It's simple, but it's very kind of basic Japanese food. I use this old-fashioned Japanese grinding bowl, and need to grind, but if you don't have those things, probably you don't, you can use coffee grinder or other tools that you can grind sesame seeds. By the way, I bought this bowl in Japan. Japanese dollar store in Japan, and I have bigger one, but I thought this is handy, so I bought it and I am happy about it. I'm cutting snow peas here, and I didn't take a video that I am taking off or the peel the side of the snow peas hard part, because this snow pea didn't came with it. They already cut it, so I don't need to do that, so I didn't shoot. But if you have it, you need to peel off those hard part. First, boil the water and put and dump all those cut snow peas. Once you put everything in it, turn the heat off and immediately take that one out. You don't need to cook it too long. You just see the color change. That's all you need to do. Don't put them too long. This is how to make snow pea salad, very basic Japanese salad, Japanese food. If you like my video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time.